Hello guys, Joester here, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new ambient light kit from FancyLEDs. This is a 3 HDMI 2.1 version, which means that you can connect your Xbox, your PS5, and a Blu-ray player and sync everything to the LED kit. And I gotta say, before I start with this video, I am very impressed with this kit because it works and it looks fantastic. So welcome to the channel, I'm Joester, and let's do this! Alright guys, so let's do a quick unboxing on this device, the FancyLEDs with 3 HDMI 2.1. So we have the user manual, and then we have different plugs for different countries, I assume. The one that I need, it's this one. Alright, so here is the box. Power button right here on top, and then right here in the back is where we have all of the HDMI ports. It has one output and then 3 of the inputs, 1, 2, and 3, LED strip, and the power port right here. Very simple. Let's see what else do we have here. And this is the LED strip, really nice. Then right here we have an HDMI 8K cable, HDMI 2.1 cable. Here, what is this? Oh, these are going to be the mounting brackets. Yes, sir. These are going to be the mounting brackets. And this is going to be the little power adapter. The one that I need is this one. I'm assuming it goes like this. There you go. Alright, so let's install it on the TV and let's see how it works. Alright guys, so I just did a pre-installation of this LED light strip and look at that, it came out perfect. By the way, this is the Hisense U8N 65-inch, just in case if you guys are wondering which TV I'm using. And then right here, these corners, these are very useful. These are easy to install too, and it holds the LED light strip right here on each end. So very easy to install. And one thing I do recommend that before you install this, make sure you clean this with alcohol. That way they're sticking to the TV and you won't have any problems or any issues later on. Alright guys, so I have everything connected now to the FancyLEDs box. Let me just show you real quick how everything goes. So there are 3 HDMI ports. This is where you connect your consoles or anything you want. In my case, I'm using the Xbox Series X. I am connected to port number 2, I believe is the one in the middle. And then this other HDMI port goes out to the TV. So this one goes to the TV. Then right here, the USB Type-C. This is from the LED strip light. Goes right here. And then the power goes over here at the end. And that's it. That's all you have to do. If you want to connect other consoles, maybe the PlayStation 5 over here, or maybe a Blu-ray player goes over here, or maybe a Fire Stick if you want to do that. Because the only way this works is with through HDMI. It doesn't work if you are just using the Google from your TV or the operating system from your TV. It doesn't work like that. You have to go or connect an HDMI through the box. This is the only way the LED lights will work. So this is how the LED light strip looks from behind, and this is very bright. One of the biggest difference between this kit and other kits that I've seen is that this kit has way more LEDs close together. That means that this is going to be very, very bright. So let me flip the TV around, let me turn it around, and let's see how it looks. So I'm right here with my Xbox, and before I start, I want to make sure that every single feature works. So let's go and check. 4K works, 120 Hertz works. Let's go into all the green check marks I have here. Everything's working. Let's go and check out, and you guys can see everything is working. Auto low latency mode, VRR, HDR. So yes, everything works out of the box. Let's jump into some gaming and let's see what's going on. I am super excited for this kit because it works. I mean, I have reviewed other kits from Govi or Lightme, and yeah, they do the job. It's all right, but there's always something. There's always an issue. This kit, nothing. I mean, look at this. I am playing Star Wars Outlaws right here, and this map, I just wanted to showcase this map because there's a lot of lighting. There's a lot of different scenes that you can see how the ambient light is transitioning with the game, and it just gives you this another level of immersion. So that's why I wanted to show you this part of the game. So this also works great on racing games, and look at this, it looks fantastic. I feel like it gives you this extra level of immersion, just like I see the lighting going so fast, so it gives me this illusion that I am driving even faster. So yes, I truly enjoy playing games like this, and I also noticed that at night, or at least the environment at night, works even better because you can see the lights passing by. I really like this. And here's a little bit of Mortal Kombat. This is one of my favorite games, even though I kind of suck right now. But I think HDR looks fantastic on this game. And even though the environment is bright, as you guys can see, the brightness of the in the background, it reflects the brightness of the game. But you guys can still see some of those extra flashes when I'm doing exactly like that. You know, like from going to side by side with Scorpion. It looks amazing here with this little ambient light kit. Now, something else that I wanted to try, and this is where I had issues with other kits, is when I'm playing movies. So here I'm logging in to my Voodoo account where I have a few digital movies that I have purchased, and I'm going to show you how this seamlessly works playing any kind of 4K movie with HDR. And look at that, it looks amazing. I'm truly enjoying this ambient light kit, guys, especially for movies. I feel like it gives you this extra level of immersive experience, especially when there's like scenes with a lot of lighting effects. Like for example, this part from Harry Potter is my favorite showcase movie. And of course, I also like to check out different colors at the same time to see how this ambient light kit performs, and it does such a great job. Alright guys, so let me show you how the app works. If you download the app, you're going to find it as FancyLEDs. Very easy, just go to Google Store or whatever phone you're using, iPhone Store, go to download FancyLEDs. Once you install the app, which is also very easy, just follow the instructions. You're going to have to connect to Wi-Fi, same Wi-Fi connection, and then you can sync the box to the app. And it's really easy. Once you open this is going to be the first screen that you're going to see. You can also go to settings and you can use the Alexa device if you have one, or Google Assistant. Right now I don't have any of those right here, so I'm just not going to use it. Let's go into the actual HDMI sync box. And you guys can see right here on top, we have the 3 options of the HDMI ports. I'm using port number 2. And right below that, we have the brightness bar. Right now, I'm only using 54% of the brightness. And like I said, these LEDs are very, very bright. So you can increase that if you want. But as a matter of fact, just like 55%, it's actually very, very bright, especially if you have a dark environment. Then right here, down below, it says diffusion modes. I have to setting this at medium. I think it works great. If you set it to high, you can. This also changes the speed of the diffusion. Low, it lowers this down, but medium, I think medium is totally fine. This is also increases the intensity of the colors and the brightness right here on this LED kit. And that is when you're using the sync option. We also have music option. Right here, music option, we have different modes like a standard mode or punk or rock. So the lights are going to move depending on which sound mode you're using, and also with the music that you're using. It has a built-in microphone, so it's going to listen to your voice. Yellow, yellow. So that is going to increase depending on, you know, if you have music around, which is nice. I've done this before. It works really, really cool. So we have ultimate, electro, retro, and that's it for music. So let's jump into scenes. This is a lot of fun too. My favorite scene right now, it's rainbow, because it's just going to showcase many different colors, and this kit is so bright that you can actually see it in action, and it's really nice. There's also fire, which I think looks really, really nice too. It's kind of like having a bonfire behind your TV. It's kind of weird. There's also calm, fireworks, star, rain. I mean, you guys can play with all these options, atoms, smooth. And if you want, let's say, a solid color, just go to color And then right here at the bottom, you can choose what color you want. You can actually change the color and it changes like almost instantly. So those are the options that you have with this app. I think it's very easy to use. It's very basic and it works. That's the most important part, that it works. So if you're interested in buying these LED kits from FancyLEDs, they have different options. If you go to their website, you can even purchase the HDMI 2.0, but keep in mind that you will be limited to 4K 60, no VRR, no 120 Hertz. So if you have the new consoles like the PS5 or Xbox Series X, I highly recommend you to get the 2.1 version. You can either get it with one port, that means that you can only connect one of either consoles, or if you have more than one, you can get the one with the 3 ports. That way you can connect your PS5, Xbox, and maybe like a Blu-ray player. And the price are different too. So just one port, $189, and the one with 3 ports is $239. You can also choose different sizes from 24 inches up to 95 inches. So if you have, I don't know, like the OLED C4 OLED, 42 inch or 48 inch, you can choose that size as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I do highly recommend these LEDs. I mean, if you're looking for an ambient light kit for your TV, something that works, something that syncs with your consoles, something that you can use it watching movies or your last TV shows, this is it. This is the kit that I was waiting for. Highly recommend it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out.